dear viewers and listeners at home. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time this video is reaching you. Welcome to the Wider World Production YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to cook beans for just 15 minutes. And in that video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step process on how to do your beans. This is something you have never seen before, and this is the information that has never been passed. So I ensure you to follow closely through this video. I'll be going on a short break now. See you in the next slide. Welcome back, my dear viewers and listeners at home. So as I've rightly said, before I go on a short break now, I said in today's video I'll be teaching us how to cook beans for just 15 minutes. And before I start the process, I'll quickly explain some parts. These beans, we have different type of beans. Like this particular video you are seeing now, in this video we are using a white beans, and as it is now, these white beans has the potentials of cooking for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, at most 25 minutes. So for the of this video, we'll be putting our timer on on 15 minutes and see how it is. So immediately after 15 minutes, the beans have cooked. I'll be showing a video, but we'll be going on a short break, then we'll come back once after 15 minutes, and then we'll show you the result of the beans. And if it's not cooked enough, we'll be putting it back on fire and we'll let it cook for the next 20 to 25 minutes. So my dear viewers and listeners at home, what are this process? So let's go to step 1. So welcome back, my dear viewers and listeners at home. So this is the step 1 of the of the video. What you do first is the water you are using to cook your beans will be ready in your pot. So please follow the steps I'm giving you so that you won't miss out. So once you put your water on inside the pot, you are going to light it and then keep it. See, the beans is still here. We have not rinsed it. The beans is still here. So what are we doing next? You add a little bit of your sliced onions inside the water you are using. As you can see, it is a sliced onions. So you add it inside the water. Sorry, you add it inside the water and then you light it. I think this is okay. So once you light it, you cover it and you leave it cooking. So now we come to the aspect of the second steps. So now to the second steps, what do? You now come to the step of washing your beans. But before you wash your beans, you open your water. You add a little bit of lime inside your water. Lime, also baby, for Yoruba is lime. In English is lime. So this is lime. So you add it inside your water. You add it inside your water. As you can see, you add it inside your water and then you close it back. Please, you can write you can write out these steps so that in case if you want to do it, it might be very easy for you. So now that we have put our lime inside the water, we cover it and then we come to our beans. Then we put water to raise the beans. I'll be raising these beans once because it's white beans and it's neat. So I'll be raising it once. But for your other beans, if you are cooking brown beans, I will advise you raise 2 to 3 times. So let's go over now to the next step. So now you rinse your beans. I'm done rinsing it, and this is the second time I'm rinsing it. I'm done rinsing it. So we are going to take off the water and then leave it inside the bowl. So as you can see, you rinse the beans. So we go over now to the next step. After rinsing the beans, we go over now to the next. By the time you are rinsing your beans, your water is on the fire with onions inside. Your water is on the fire with onions inside. So now let me take off this water. So what will be in your mind now will be that, okay, what will happen after I have rinsed my beans? As you can see now, these beans now, there's no water inside and everything is pure clean. So what do you do next? You now put a water inside, like up to 2 cups of water inside your beans. Or a cup of water is okay. I think it should be okay like this. Then you take your lime, a cover of a bottle full of, as you can see, this is it. So you are going to pour it inside your beans. You are going to pour it inside your beans. Make sure it enters very well. So this water now, you are not pouring it out. You are not changing it again. So by this time, you know your is ready. So you add the lime like that, and then by that time, your water is still on the fire, boiling at high point. As you can see, boiling at high point. So you cover it back with your onions. So we go over now to the next step. So what was done now, it was left for a few minutes so that the the lime might ferment. inside the beans very well. So you have to leave, after adding your lime inside the beans, you have to leave your beans for 3 to 5 minutes. But by the time your beans is still inside the lime water, your water is still boiling. The water inside the pot is still boiling. So now we are moving over to the next step, to putting the beans inside the boiling water. To put the beans inside the boiling water. So what do? We put the beans inside the boiling water. We put the beans inside the boiling water. So after putting the beans inside the boiling water, we move over to the next step. So my dear viewers and listeners at home, now that the beans now has been put inside the boiling water. So now the time starts now. So let me check time now. Okay, day is 7:57. So we'll be waiting for 15 minutes for these beans to cook for 15 minutes. I'll be showing this screenshot of the time here, and I will be pausing the video for a while, and then we'll wait for the next 15 minutes, and then after the next 15 minutes I'll be showing you the results of this beans. So let's wait and see the magic happens. Yeah, my dear viewers and listeners at home, this beans was just cooked for 15 minutes, and we'll be seeing what our result is for just 15 minutes. And as you can see here, these beans are, wow, see, can you see? I'll be putting some here, but these beans still need to cook for 5 minutes. So let's cook for 5 minutes, making 20 minutes, and see what will happen. See guys, see, as you can see, for just 15 minutes, guys, this is awesome. For just 15 minutes, for just 15 minutes. So let's leave it for the next 5 minutes and see how it will be. Let me even have a taste of what it is. Let me have the taste. Wow, this beans is already done. This beans is done for just 15 minutes. This beans is done for just 15 minutes. So there's no need leaving it for the next 5 minutes. But if you are not satisfied, you can leave it for the next 5 minutes. But as with the look of things, if this beans should go for the next 10 minutes, it will get burnt, and that's the end. So guys, the only way you can use to appreciate me is by just clicking on the subscribe button and like this video, comment, and share with other friends so that they can watch. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying with me. I really appreciate your time. It's nice having you around me, and I'm very happy to create this video. So thank you, my dear viewers and listeners at home. See you in my next video, and do have a lovely day and weekend ahead. Bye. Thank you.